Hey, what's up guys? Mao here for Unbox Everything, and today we're taking a look at this, the Bluedio T Monitor. T stands for turbine. This is the Bluetooth wireless headphones from Bluedio. And before we get started with the unboxing and the review, I'd just like to take this time to say thank you to Bluedio for sending this over and making this video review possible. If you want to check out their official store on Lazada or pick up this product for yourself, I will be leaving the links in the description below. So now let's get into the unboxing. First, here is the box. Really clean, really simple. Yeah, that's it. So, T Monitor, T stands for turbine, Bluedio. Let's open it up. Nice. So, cool. That is what you see when you open it up. That looks really nice the way that it was packaged, so that's already a plus. Alright, so let's see what we got inside here. First, we've got the charging cable. And as you can see, it is a USB Type-C port, so that's really good for faster charging. Really nice to see that on these Bluedio devices. Of course, got the simple manual. And then we've just got the headphones right up front over here. Alright, so first pulling it out, first impressions is that it feels really sturdy, feels like it's made out of a really good material. It's got a good weight to it. And yeah, it doesn't feel like it's made out of any cheap materials. The cushion is really nice, really soft cushion. So that feels like it's going to be really comfortable on the head. So the sides are also really nice, really clean. I don't see any buttons on it, but yeah, we'll check that out later. So let's go through some of the specs first, for those who are interested in knowing the specifications of this headphones. It's got Bluetooth 5.0 with a range of 10 meters. It's got a standby time of 1,000 hours, so if you're not using it, it's got a standby time of 1,000 hours, which is a lot. It's got a listening time of 30 hours, which is what it says, 30 hours. That's a lot. So I hope that it really, you know, lives up to that 30 hours. And it's got a charge time of 2 hours. So that actually sounds really good for battery life for a set of Bluetooth headphones. And if it is accurate to that, you know, wow, that's just gonna be super cool. You know, 30 hours, you're barely gonna have to plug this thing in to charge it. It's just gonna work all the time. That's gonna be super cool. Now I'm gonna show you how to pair the Bluetooth headphones to your phone or any device that you're gonna connect to. So first, I found the buttons on the headphones. They're right there on the side. So really minimal, you know, you'll barely notice them. So there's volume, which is really cool, so you can adjust the volume on the headphones, and then there is the power button. So to put it into pairing mode, you're gonna hold this down. Power on. Okay, I heard it say power on. Pair. And I heard it say pair. So now it is in pairing mode, and there's that light that's on. So now we're gonna connect it to the phone. So there it says T Monitor, click that. And it said pairing connected. So now it should work. What is right, what is left? So it doesn't say which is right and which is left, but let's just try it. So, wow. Okay, so the way it feels on the head, it's really comfortable. The way the cushions are, it feels really comfortable, and it goes over ear. They're over ear headphones, so they're really comfortable. I feel like I could wear this for hours without my ears hurting. So that's really nice. So now let's check the audio. This is probably the most important part that could make or break a set of headphones. So let's try the audio quality. Wow. Man. Alright. These are really good. I wasn't expecting them to be, you know, this good. But wow, the sound quality on it is just really great. The bass, I could feel that. I could feel that. Everything sounds really clear. The noise cancellation, perfect. The volume is really loud, so you're not gonna have to worry about it being too soft or anything. And it feels really comfortable. Just wow, it's really good. I'm really happy with this pair of headphones. The quality, the audio quality is probably the best thing about it. I mean, the build quality is already really good, but you know, the audio quality is what matters most, and it definitely passes so high. I would highly recommend this. If you're looking for a good set of headphones that are over ear, that are comfortable, that are Bluetooth and wireless, man, this is probably the way to go. I'd really recommend this to you guys. Alright, so a few last things to note is that there is a microphone also at the bottom right here. I will test the sound quality right now. Hello? Can you hear me alright? My sound quality is good? Okay, alright, cool. Thank you. Bye-bye. Alright, so I just made a call on this, and from the person on the other end, they said that it sounds really clear. So that's really good. You can rest assured that the sound quality of this is fine. It did have sort of a delay, but I feel like that's more about my Wi-Fi connection than the actual Bluetooth headphones. So yeah, call quality is still really good with this. So that's also something really cool, is that you can control the volume on the phone from the actual headphones. So you can do that, you know, while you're walking, and just press the button and it'll adjust the volume. So that's super cool. Alright, so let me tell you guys where you can pick this up. You can pick this up at Lazada for 999 pesos, and I will leave the link again for that in the description so you can check it out and pick it up for yourself. And yeah, that was just my quick review and unboxing of the Bluedio T Monitor Headphones. T stands for turbine, for the turbine design that it has. Really good once again. If you want to check out more reviews of Bluetooth headphones or earphones, you can subscribe to my channel. I do weekly unboxings of tech, toys, and everything in between. I also recently did a review of this Bluedio HI Hurricane Bluetooth earphones with a charging case, so you can check that out also if you want in the link in the description, or if you want you can click right over here and watch that as well. If you want to see another unboxing you may enjoy, click or tap the screen right over here also. And as always, I will see you back here next time as I continue to unbox everything.